Hi, I'm Bryon Demerson, and I'm excited that you are considering a TEACH workshop. You might have read about this workshop and wondered, how would this support my PBL practice? No worries. I like to share a few ways that this session is designed to do just that. First, we'll create clarity. In TEACH Essentials, you'll develop a clear understanding of what high-quality project-based learning really is. You'll see real classrooms in action through video and work with PBL protocols and key elements. All of this is to help build knowledge of what separates strong project-based learning from just assigning a project. Second, you'll gain access. By selecting this workshop, you'll receive 1 full year of access to the PBLWorks TEACH web-based app. Inside, you'll find more than 50 expertly designed K-12 project units, complete with lesson slides, activities, example products, rubrics, and templates. When the workshop ends, the TEACH web app includes step-by-step guidance and embedded professional learning to support your implementation. And third, you'll join a PBL community of practice. You'll participate in a PBLWorks learning experience where you'll begin deconstructing and contextualizing a project for your own classroom, while collaborating with other educators who will also bring these projects to their classroom. You'll also have an opportunity to join our online community to continue collaborating and sharing ideas beyond the conference. So if you're looking for clarity, practical resources, and thoughtful professional learning, the PBLWorks TEACH Essentials Workshop is designed to support you, so you can feel leaving confident about your PBL teaching journey and continue to have everything you need. That's resources, tools, and support, all in one place.